Hello everyone, today's video about simplify ratio. What is a ratio? A ratio is a comparison of two numbers by division. Okay, so always be comparing two numbers or more than two numbers. Okay, so how can we divide the ratio between two numbers or more than two numbers? We will learn that in the next videos, but today we will see how we write the ratio, and also we are learning simplifying ratio. So let's see here. I says every three boys to six girls, right? So if we want to write these things in a ratio form, then we can write like this: 3 to 6. These two dots, actually we know that is called the column, but here we read it is a 2. Okay, so 3 to 6 we read like that. How can we simplify this 3 to 6? Here you need highest common factor to divide both number, or simply you can say what is the common number 3 and 6 both can divide. So 3 and 6 both comes in a times table 3, so both can divide by 3. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So we will get the answer. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1 and 6 divided by 3 gives us answer 2, and column method we put it here as back, right? So 3 to 1 is the simplest form of the 3 to 6 equal to 1 to 2 is the simplest form. Okay, let's see one more example here. If I says 4 to 12, okay, what if we cannot find the highest factor, highest common factor? Let's we try here. I could say 4 and 12 both can divide by 2, right? Of course, many of you know that 4 and 12 both comes in times table 4, so both can divide by 4. And yes, let's we try both way. 4 to 12, if you divide by 2, let's say, then what? 4 divided by 2 is a 2 and 12 divided by 2 is a 6, right? But see here, 2 and 6 both can still simplify because both are come in a times table 2, or you could say that both can divide by the 2. So let's we do it again. So 2 divided by 2 is a 1 and 6 divided by 2 is a 3, right? So final answer is a 1 to 3 ratio. If here we divide by the 4 both, because we know 4 and 12 both can divide by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is a 1 and 12 divided by 4 is a 3. So in a one go, see both we getting the same answer. But here we do in a 2 steps, right? Step 1 and step 2, right? But here in a one step we finish our whole sum. So it's okay. Sometime if you are not sure, you can do in a 2 steps work. Okay. Okay, let's see few further more example. If we have a 3 numbers comparison in a ratio, example for 4 to 6 to let's say 14. Okay, so here ratio of the 3 numbers. So how can we simplify? Just you have to find the factor which are common for all 3 numbers. Okay, so 4, 6 and 14, all 3 numbers can divide by what? By the 2, right? 4, 6 and 14 all can divide by 2. So 4 divided by 2 equal to 2, 6 divided by 2 equal to 3 and 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. And if you see, we cannot further factorize all number, even prime numbers, right? So no one can divide any further. So this is our final answer. Okay. Okay, one more thing, when we comparing the ratio, and here if I says 2 meter to let's say 50 centimeter. If we want to simplify, but they are given with the units with them and units are different, then we cannot simplify them direct. First we have to change the both numbers in a same unit. So either we change this 2 meter into the centimeter, or this 50 centimeter convert into the meters. So I believe that meters it is easy to change into the centimeter. So from meter to centimeter, if we want to change, we have to multiply by the 100. Let's say here multiply 1, because centimeter to centimeter only multiply by the 100. So 50 remain as it is. 2 times 100 equal to 200, and now both are centimeter. Okay. So now same unit, so no need to worry, and now we can simplify. So 200 and 50 both can divide by what? Both can divide by 50. Okay. So if you are not sure, then just simply you can think like that. Okay, both have a last digit is a 0 0, so obviously both can divide by 10. So let's divide by 10. So 200 divided by 10 equal to 20, and 50 divide by 10 equal to 5. So 20 to 5. If we simplify, then let me write properly here, close to each other now. So 20 to 5, and if we simplify further, then both can divide by 5. So 20 divided by 5 gives us 4, and 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. So final answer is a 4 to 1. So remember here, if units are different, then we have to change for same unit both. Okay, and then we can compare them. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.